Okay, it's Monday, May 5th, 2014, and this is 5 days after the first Haarp experiment that I noticed, and now they are doing another experiment, Haarp experiment, and it's this blank area right here. And let me zoom in and show you what I mean. They've actually blanked out an area, and we can see these weird swirls up under here, and that has the look of the Haarp downburst, the outflow boundary. But the main thing is they've actually blocked off this rectangular area, and this time they've done it in all 4 satellite maps. Goes all 4. Okay, here's well, I mean, this was visible mode, and this is like, I don't know, 4 p.m., so it's mid-afternoon. Here is shortwave IR, and whoa, you can see the little curves a little better here. But the rest of it's all blobbed out, one color, and water vapor mode, and not see anything there. Long wave infrared, again they've blocked it out, except we can still see these little weird tree ring curls. Now let's look in the high-res NASA MODIS satellite, and this is right here is the area. Oops, let me get it centered. Anyway, right here is the area, and it's all blanked out again. I have a different view here. Okay, this is just the this is a magnification of that last view, and you can just see there's just nothing here. In fact, down here you can see where here's a line, and then it comes up here, and then there's also, this is like proof right here. Look at this line here. I've got this line where it's, got focus please. Okay. Ah, shit, it's not going to focus. Okay, whatever. Anyway, there's this line of clouds here, straight, and it's chopped off and blank. Down here, another line, chopped off and blank. So they are doing something. In other words, they watched my video, how somebody, just a casual viewer, can tell what the hell they're doing. So my videos are changing their behavior, this proof, and that's pretty pathetic. That what they're doing is so immoral, so illegal, they've got to hide it. But you can see right here, this is back to visible mode. Look at that line right there. Here we've got the Haarp swirls and curls, and wow, let me go back to the first frame here. This first frame, we can see a bunch of complex swirls. They're trying to create another man-made low pressure, which they failed to do 5 days ago on April 30th. Today's Monday, May 5th. Okay, let me look at the surface pressure, and these maps are also based on the GOES image satellite. GOES satellite image. It's blanked out. It's blanked out. But also, this is a 300 millibar. This is jet stream, and I don't know. If you're going to make a low pressure, you ought to do it right over Seattle. But there's already a low pressure there, so what's the point, right? Anyway, this is sea level pressure. Again, it's blanked out. So anyway, folks, that is another Haarp experiment, and we're not allowed to see it, so it's all grayed out, and that's just pathetic. You can see this edge right up here. Look how it's, I mean, look at that. That's proof right there. As these little clouds are moving into this zone, they blank it. So something big is going on right off the coast of British Columbia and Washington State. So what they're doing is so nasty, so criminal, they can't let anybody see it. But they will let us see this down here to show, yes, it is the Haarp experiment. It is the Haarp transmitter. Let me look at the other view, see if we can see anything. Well, that's blanked also. Just totally missed it over. So they photoshopped 9 separate satellite views. 9 separate satellite views. Okay, water vapor never shows anything. That guy's not showing anything either. So, and if I unzoom it and just zoom in moderately, you can see it's just not right. There's something wrong here. You know, this is a totally weird looking thing. And going back to the satellite, the NASA image. Yep. Okay, and this I got, and this is the top. The blanked out area is down here. Actually, you can see here's the cloud we were seeing moving in, getting blanked out. So this is not too long ago, and yeah, it appears that whatever they're doing, we're not allowed to know about it. Alrighty, that's all I got to say about this. Another Haarp experiment, but because of my previous video, they're hiding it from us. You know, we paid for it, it's our planet, but they play God because they think they are gods. Well, you can clearly see that line right there. That's just plain as day. So they're just trying to create another artificial low pressure, because they can create high pressure wherever they want. But if they could make low pressure also, then they're gods. Mother Earth does not have a chance. But if they're proud of what they're doing, they need to show the public. They need to have this to where everybody can see it. Yeah, that's obviously photoshopped. I mean, these clouds here are getting eaten up. So we can actually say there's something of a shape like this. I think the Chinese and Japanese, they need to have some satellites to look at this also, and Russia also. Because the melting of the Arctic will kill the entire planet Earth. And I'm telling you, quick. And you know, today I saw proof, personal proof, that chemtrails heat planet Earth, not cool it. Because it was a crystal clear morning, and the temperature got up to the upper 90s. And then at 3 p.m. they start heavy chemtrailing, and now it's hazed over. What that does is it seals the heat in overnight. So anytime they let the natural heating take place, and then they put the chemtrails in the middle afternoon, then overnight the warm ground cannot radiate its heat away to space. So you start the morning 10 degrees hotter than you would have. And I saw that today with my own eyes. Alrighty, interesting.